If you live in an apartment, a dorm room, anything that's small, if you have a camper, if you're going out to camp, these are what you're going to need. This is a portable washer machine from Amazon. This was only $124. I swear to God, this is the best thing I ever spent money on. I saved so much money from going to the laundromat.
So this is the dryer that I bought too. This comes from Amazon.
This was $250.
Apartment friendly as well.
This is perfect to save energy.
I just put the load wrap in there. You can see it's a little junky on the top. There's a load on top.
Your clothes are going to get whiter than white.
This is working in my house, okay, in my apartment. So if you're in a dorm or if you are in a little apartment that doesn't allow you to do much, you could do as much as you want with these. Now I'm going to leave the links down below so you can see them and you can get them, but this definitely dries your clothes. But I will say it is heavy duty. If you have like a air conditioner, like my place doesn't have a central air conditioner, so I have to literally buy one. I can't use them both at the same time. So that's just a heads up too. It will blow out your power if you're using two high powered appliances at the same time. But yeah, I just want to show you how I wash my clothes in my little apartment, and I save money doing it. This dryer was $204, I believe, but I'll leave all the information down below. But the washer was definitely $100.
So my experience with the washer and the dryer is great. Like I said, it's good for your dorm rooms. If you're living in an apartment and it's very small, you'll be able to use both of those appliances, do your washing and drying with no problem. I definitely suggest they go out and get one so that you don't have to run back and forth to the laundromat and wasting all those precious coins and change that you could be using in your pocket for whatever, because times are hard, let's be real. So just go out and get it. It's pretty cheap. For real, you can do the washer alone and it will still work just as good. Just go and get it. It's pretty late, so that's why I'm pretty low, but I usually don't have tons of energy anyway. But anyway, just go and get it.